Welcome to Strolling Venice, the perfect guide for first-time visitors who want to explore Venice with confidence and joy. Hello, Strolling Venice friends. Today, I'm going to share with you a very special moment. Imagine this. You exchange messages through YouTube and suddenly you're walking through Venice together. It was on Boxing Day and the holidays are still in the air, but the city feels quieter and more personal. This isn't just a Venice walk that I would like to share. This is a real connection that started with a comment and turned into a day we'll both remember. So stay with us. We begin here at the Accademia Bridge. From this spot, Venice feels like a painting. The Grand Canal flowing slowly beneath us, the light reflecting off the water. I told her this is one of my favorite views in the city, especially for first-time visitors. This is the Venice you don't rush. You pause, you breathe, and you take it in. As we cross the bridge, I point toward the Peggy Guggenheim Museum. I explain how this place isn't just about art. It's about a woman who truly loved Venice and made it her home. We didn't go inside today, but sometimes just knowing where you are adds meaning to the walk. After all, Venice isn't only about ticking off attractions, it's about stories. We arrived at Santa Maria della Salute, and I told her this church was built as a promise after the Great Plague when Venice asked for protection and healing. And did you know that every November, Italians still come here to pay tribute? They cross a temporary bridge over the Grand Canal, bringing candles, prayers, and gratitude. It's not a tourist tradition. It's a living one. And honestly, I am very grateful that I brought her here because standing here alone and admiring the ginormous Salute Church, you can feel how deeply Venice remembers and how faith, history, and hope are still woven into everyday life. Then we head towards Zattere, wherein you can see wide space, open and calm. This part of Venice feels different. It's more local, more relaxed, and as we walk slowly, talking about travel, about life, and how strange it feels that YouTube brought us here together. After passing another church in Zattere, we passed by San Trovaso where gondolas are still being made and repaired by hand. I explained that this is one of the last places where you can still see real gondola craftsmanship. After all, not everything in Venice is for show. Some traditions are still alive, quietly continuing, and away from the crowds. I understand that she loved riding a gondola earlier in her trip, so I asked, would you like to try the Traghetto? And she said yes. before we keep walking, if you know someone who's planning to visit Venice, please share this video with them. Who knows, maybe this walk will help them plan their trip or remind them that Venice is best experienced slowly, one moment at a time. Grazie! Before heading toward the Traghetto area, I take her to Campo San Barnaba. I tell her this is where a famous movie was filmed, The Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade, right here. And then she smiles because suddenly Venice feels cinematic in a different way. This is what I love about the city. Every corner around there's a story waiting. So we continue walking and pass by the Vaporetto vegetable stand. Fresh produce arriving by boat, only in Venice. This isn't something you'll find in guidebooks, but it's everyday life here. Then we stopped at a bakery shop called Majer. I tell her she has to try one thing. It's the famous arancini, made with special rice and meat inside. Simple, local, and absolutely worth it. And so we pause, we eat, we chat like friends who've known each other longer than a day. As we walk again, she suddenly asked me something that makes me smile. Where is the part of your video where I saw the big trees? And in that moment, I know she wasn't just watching casually. She was really watching Strolling in Venice channel. I can tell because only someone who follows closely would remember that detail. That's when YouTube stops feeling like a platform and starts feeling like a community. And I'm grateful for her. Thank you. I showed her where the Traghetto station is, and for your information, these Traghettos are same like gondolas, but it is used by locals to cross the Grand Canal for only 70 cents for locals and €2 for tourists. Unfortunately, today it's closed, but that's Venice too. Sometimes plans change and the city gently invites you to keep walking. We head toward the Rialto Bridge, and every bridge we had to stop to take photos. That's how magical Venice is, by the way. It's lively, busy, full of energy. And she tells me she has a late flight the next day and wants to enjoy her last day without carrying her luggage. So I show her a luggage locker near Rialto. Sometimes it's these small details that make a trip truly comfortable. Your last day deserves to be light. And before saying goodbye, I bring her to one final place, the Libreria Acqua Alta. Books stacked here in bathtubs and boats, cats wandering between shelves, pages shaped by water, and it's chaotic, poetic, and unforgettable. Just like Venice, just like this day. And then it's time to say goodbye. A subscriber becomes a memory. A YouTube message becomes a shared walk. If you're watching this and wondering if travel can still surprise you, yes, it can. Sometimes it's not the places that stay with you, it's the people you meet along the way. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And thank you for making Venice feel even more special. There's a quote I love that feels perfect for this moment. One's destination is never a place, but a new way of seeing things. Because today wasn't just about Venice, it was about connection, presence, and seeing the city and each other a little different. As this year comes to an end, I just want to say thank you for walking with me. Happy New Year. May the coming year bring you safe travels, beautiful moments, and many more slow walks through Venice. And I hope you'll continue to walk with me here on Strolling Venice. Grazie mille. Forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your Venice travel questions. See you in the next video. Ciao!